Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost. How are you all doing? So for this recording, I want to make it really quick. This head app is called Recipe Data. Is this a recipe video? So what you have to do is just to watch the video on the right side of the screen. So let's do it. Let's see how it goes. Play the video. You can just fast forward it. So yes, it's a food video. So click submit. This one, let's try this one. Um, these are all in different languages, so you can try this, highlight it, and do Google Translate. Let's see how it goes. Matt, so that's not a food recipe at all. So just click this one and go to submit and click on submit rather. This one is another video. So yeah, it's a video recipe. And if you don't understand the language, just go ahead and highlight it and then click on Google Translate. Salem Special Essence Dosa. So that is a food recipe indeed. This one, Sick Boy Free Fake collab. Definitely not a food video. You can watch it for about 10 seconds. I just click submit. And what's next? EOS lip balm review and demo. That's definitely not a food video. Click submit. Let's see how much is this worth. Let me go back here. What's the next one? Dalai Moody. I don't understand it. So let's translate it again. Most likely this isn't a food video, so not food. Just play it. Let me go back here. Special Salem Dosa. Grow hair very fast. Definitely not a food video. How much is this worth? Banana cherry salad recipe. It's a food video, but not really a recipe. In case not a dish food video animation, dish food drink testing evaluation only video. You couldn't judge. Not a food video for me. Let's play that one. This definitely is a recipe video. Oatmeal energy balls. Remember, dish food drink tasting evaluation only video should be not a food recipe. Alright, so it is a recipe video. How much is this worth? Recently worked on recipe data. That's six. Okay, it's a lot. Let's move on to the next. How to easily zest a lemon using uh yeah, it's a food video for me. Let's fast forward it. Yeah, it's a food video. Homemade chai masala. Let's see if they show the process of how to make it. Yeah, it is a food video. And what is this? Easy spinach salad recipe. Let's fast forward it. It shows how he or how to make it. So yeah, it's a food video recipe. What is this? I don't understand this one. Let's do Google Translate. Definitely not a food video. And this, let's fast forward. That's how to make the food. So it's a food recipe. And this one, this okay. It's showing how to make it. So it's a food video. Oh, all right. Let's click on the link. Uh, advertisement. Let's wait for it to finish, and we can just skip it. And let's do a fast forward. No, that's not a food video. Let's check our reports. Is how much am I paid for it? No, I don't see the amount yet. So this one is in Japanese or Chinese. Let's translate it. Orange cheese recipe. Okay, let's see if it shows the process on how to make it. Yes, it does. So that's a video. Pato di Mazzari. Okay, is there a process of how to make it? Yeah. So that's a food video. All right, so that's how you work on this particular hit app. Again, it's a recipe data. Is this a recipe video? I know a lot of people got disabled doing this hit app. I'm not sure if you guys are really watching the videos, but you have to really watch them for you to figure out if it shows the process on how to make a food. But again, just to differentiate it, dish, food, drink, tasting evaluation only video would be considered as not a food video recipe or not. Sure. All right, so this is it. Or that's all for this short recording. Again, my name is Ghost. You can find me on Facebook. I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. Please answer all the membership questions before joining in, and please do subscribe to our channel and send over a screenshot of your subscription. Thank you so much for watching and have a good weekend. Bye.